Hello learners. Overview of Python programming. Python programming is a versatile and widely used subject that equips learners with the skills to build a variety of applications, from simple scripts to complex software solutions. Known for its readability and simplicity, Python is an ideal language for both beginners and experienced developers. Why learn this subject? Python's extensive library support and wide range of applications make it an essential tool in the programming world. It powers web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and automation. Its popularity among tech giants like Google and Netflix highlights its importance. Learning Python opens doors to high-demand careers in tech industries and research fields. What to learn? The subject covers Python basics like syntax, variables, and data types, as well as advanced concepts such as object-oriented programming, file handling, libraries, example, NumPy, Pandas, web frameworks, example, Flask, Django, and machine learning tools, example, TensorFlow, scikit-learn. Where it's useful, Python skills are applicable in domains like software development, data analysis, AI research, game development, and cybersecurity, making it a cornerstone for innovation in modern technology. Happy learning. Thank you.